I've gained so many new insights at this conference. Just being able to speak to the exhibitors and some of these leading edge vendors has been amazing. In addition to the speakers and the sessions, the breakouts, the roundtables, it's just a real mix of really thought-provoking content.
The thing that kills innovation and progress inside of all big companies is a time frame problem. Pick a project that aligns to your values, set a 6-week timeline, idea to production in 6 weeks.
This conference really brings together some of the top innovators, the top business leaders, the top community organizers in a format that allows us to really connect meaningfully.
So crazy that when it first started, we're thinking they're going to lose their job. The reality is it's going to improve the repetitive tasks that we can't seemingly do as humans. When there's this plethora of data and you want to get insights from that, the employees will be looking at the outcomes and the answers and then have to use critical thinking and judgment to be able to say, okay, now I have all this information and this new insights. What do I do with that?
Seeing this tech scene that's happening in Boston and having access to the professors at HBS as well as MIT and really just the talent that gets pulled into this conference as well as the networking makes it an easy decision to come.
I think the favorite part of this conference for me was the Women in AI breakfast. It was just inspirational to be in a room of so many women, and I really give kudos to the conference organizers for bringing in intentional diversity of thought of people into this conference.
2 other quotes stood out with me in this past earnings season. One from Doug McMillon, the CEO of Walmart. They use Gen AI to update their product catalog, 850 million items. By using Gen AI, they were able to achieve an ROI of 100x. And then Andy Jassy, the CEO of Amazon, went even further. He quantified the exact dollar amount of savings with Gen AI. He said Amazon saved $260 million by using Gen AI to move from prior applications of Java to the latest one.
One of the things that's great about this conference is its size. It's a very carefully selected group of people that are attending this conference. You know, it's not 4,000 people, right? It's more like 400 people, and they're a really high quality 400 people, so you really get a chance to meet everybody that you want to connect with. And you know that every time somebody walks up to your booth, like this is somebody you really want to talk to.